Melbourne is a world of true Florida appeal with beaches, nature and recreation. Whether you're planning a relaxing weekend, romantic getaway, or family vacation, this destination has a lot to offer. Our villa is located in the heart of Melbourne. It will only take 10 minutes drive to the beach, 30 minutes to the Cocoa Beach Pier and 35 minutes to Port Canaveral Cruise Terminal.
I know that I seem a little stressed out, but you're here now, and you're turning me on. I wanna feel a different kind of tension. Yeah, you guessed it, the kind that's fine. Hate it when you leave me unattended, cause I miss ya, and I need your love. When my mind is running wild, could you help me slow it down? Put my mind at ease. Pretty please, I need your hands on me. Sweet relief, pretty please, exactly where I want me. Yeah, underneath your body. Yeah, if we take it further, I swear I ain't gonna break. So baby, come try me, baby, come find me, baby, don't wind me up. I know that I seem a little stressed out, but you're here now, and you're turning me on. I wanna feel a different kind of tension. Yeah, you guessed it, the kind that's fine. Hate it when you leave me unattended, cause I miss ya, and I need your love. When my mind is running wild, could you help me slow it down? Put my mind at ease. Pretty please, I need your hands on me.